Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. We're on day 2 at the Isle of Wight and it is an absolutely beautiful morning. I'm still here with my family, so the question is, what do you do when they're still asleep at 8 AM in the morning? You come and check out the only nature reserve on the island. So where we're at is the Newtown National Nature Reserve on the northwest side of the island, and it encompasses ancient woodland, fields, I don't think it includes part of the downs here, but also the salt marshes, which we're going to go check out today and see if we can see any wildlife. So we've kind of left the estuary behind, which is back over that way. That's where we first started. It was definitely tide's right out right now. So what we're going to try and do is go check out the mud flats area. Again, a very dangerous area, but tide's out right now. And there's a seawall to walk along, which is what I'm hoping to do. Man, what a perfect day. Beautiful morning, well signposted all through here. And I think most of this is accessible for those with mobility issues. So do check it out. I think you can get all the way to the end of the jetty or to the out across the boardwalk and check out the bird hideout here. I believe is disabled accessible, which is great. Alright, so we are out here. We come to as far as you can get, I believe, with a wheelchair or a mobility scooter. But this right here is the old seawall. We're going to go as far as we can. Now, it was privately built as far as I'm aware, and so it does say, you know, walk it at your own risk. But we're going to go check it out as far as we can. It's low tide, so we're relatively safe. But this is such a really neat spot to come out at early morning when it's quiet, tide's out. Really cool to look out over the mud. See all these boats just high and dry right now. You can't actually access them. But yeah, I don't know how far we actually can get on this because a lot of it looks quite destroyed at this point. Unfortunately, we didn't come very far. This is really soggy, really messy mud. You're going to start sinking if you start going down. This is all mud flats, mud plains. So not advisable to go out there. It's really, really nasty out there right now. So a bit of a shame we couldn't get out a little bit further. Man, this is a beautiful morning. It's got some really strange things to look at, that's for sure. I've seen some oyster catchers, a couple of storks, I think, out here. But yeah, definitely worth coming checking this out if you're on the island. Well, sadly, Bird Hide is closed, so we're not going to get out to go have a look at that. But this is all wheelchair accessible from Newtown. But there's this really cool carving just outside the Bird Hide. It's got owls and spiders and crickets and all kinds of seabirds that you should be able to see in this area. So, yeah. But anyway, worth coming to check out this whole area. Just check if the Bird Hide is open, because I can hear a lot of birds out there that it would have been really good, really cool to go see. So we're going to head back to the car for now. There is a few more paths that you can wander throughout this nature reserve. It is really pretty, and I can hear a robin, I think that is, singing in the trees behind me. It's really, really awesome to come out and see all this nature and natural spaces, which are so well protected. Alright guys, well, we didn't make it to the Needles, or we did make it to the Needles, but £6 for parking, a little steep for me. Even though it's a National Trust area, the parking area itself isn't National Trust. We did attempt to find another parking area, but it just didn't work. So anyway, we're going for a picnic up on the downs of the Isle of Wight, so that should be good. Get some beautiful views overlooking the south of the island, and this walk all through up here is absolutely stunning already. Just some beautiful flowers through here. Gosh, this is stunningly beautiful through here. Surrounded by this corridor of cow path, I think is what it is. Slightly in the shade, climbing up a hill a little bit. I do think I came this way one time before, in the other direction. But man, this is just beautiful through here. Ah, perfect day. So just out of the trees here, climbing up onto this beautiful wooded area. But man, the amount of wildflowers that are out here. Just the colours, we've got reds and blues, yellows, whites, purples. Quite an epic view of the downs behind us too. Just slight breeze. I love days like today. They just make you feel so alive and so appreciative of everything that we have at our fingertips. So close to home. Sometimes you just gotta be grateful for the small things, right? What a spot we found for lunch. So we're sort of tucked in on the other side of that fence. There's a bench there. Try not to get my family on video. Some of them are a little bit on the shy side, but look at this. This is the view that we sort of had. Absolutely stunning area. And over here, it's called the Long Stone, just up in there, which is ancient, either burial mound or Celtic something or other. I'll see if I can find out any more about it. But it's a nice walk. It's off the Tennyson Trail or Tennyson Way, and I have gone by it. It's just stunning, stunning views all the way around this island. It really, really is worth spending some time here. Come on, come here. Cody. Come here. this really isn't a bad spot for lunch, is it? Surrounded by bluebells, beautiful view over the valley. Yeah, this is really nice. Something I just love about coming, even though I'm currently walking through a lot of what looks very, very dead. What I love coming out about this time of year, spring with the flowers and new growth, just reminds you so much of life, what life means, what it's like to just choose life every day. Absolutely beautiful. Just makes you feel full inside in your heart and reminds us exactly why nature and spending time outdoors is so important for our heads, our hearts, our souls, and just our total well-being. And it's just all I can hear is bird song. Just makes you feel good. Alright guys, well I know it's kind of been another one of those haphazard videos, just because things change, plans change, but I really hope you've enjoyed it, and you continue to follow my adventures. So as always guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys hopefully in the next video.